To allow your phone to sync Wi-Fi information using Wi-Fi or mobile data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting, tap sync with Samsung Cloud. Next, tap sync using, and then select Wi-Fi or mobile data. By choosing this setting, now your phone can sync your saved Wi-Fi network information to Samsung Cloud by using Wi-Fi network connection or by using mobile data connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.